Hi guys! So I just thought I'd come on to you today and just share what I have got set up in my Ugly Dori. It is a little bit on the chunky side, and I did ask a while ago if you wanted to see what I got in here, and a few of you said yes, so I thought, well, I haven't put like a proper video on this channel for a while, so I just thought I would go through and show you what I've got in it. So all these are just bits and pieces from bracelets. Like that's a bracelet that I've broke down and put into it. These were supposed to be earrings. That's from Claire's. I bought a load of them. Again, this was the same part of this bracelet. I just put them on the things there and just stuck them on there. With the ones on the side, no idea where I got that from. Again, these two are earrings. So I just put them all on one ring and then just fastened them on the spine with that fastener. Underneath, I have got such a lot of bling going on. Like, I just love the sound. If you're a planner girl, you understand that sound. And these are all put on with paper clips, and I've put sellotape over the paper clips so they don't come out. It's a really, really easy way of getting some bits and pieces on the bottom of your planner. This is like a page separator, so that's where these two come into it. So yeah, that is the bling that I've got on going on the outside of this. This one did have like a thing what you can put a pen on, but I did pull this off. I will leave the link to where you can get these from because I love this planner, and I got this off Etsy from Ugly Bug Plans. She has got a YouTube channel as well, so I'll also leave that. As I said, I love this planner. So as I open it up, this I just bought just because it got the N on for Nicki, and I've never really fathomed out what I can do with it, so yeah, I've just put it in there. I've just got some jump bands in here that I made myself. I'm on a diet, so I've got some of these in here to put each week for keeping an eye on my weight. And these amazing stickers are, it says they're Dovecraft, but I get these from the range, and at the moment they're on offer for £1.49. I've got a load of these, but this one's like weight related, so I just thought I'd keep this in here. Pills, running shoes, the weight scales, the food things, workout, yoga, prep meal, achieved, heart monitor thing, goal, workout, blah blah blah, and they just something else that, you know, I mean, for £1.49 you can't really go wrong with these. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, I just keep this in here. I've got some date covers that I sometimes use with different kits that I use in here, and I've just got like this back thing because I just like the way it looked. So yeah, that is all I've got in these, in the pockets in the front. I mean, I could make a lot more with these, but I don't really go into it that much, so I don't bother with the front. So these, I don't know what you call them, but I made these myself, and you can just, dashboards is it what you call them, and you can just push in and out what you want inside. If you would like me to show you how to do these, I will do, but there is videos on YouTube of how to do that. That's how I found out how to do it. This die cut here, I got this free with a purchase that I made over Christmas. I absolutely love it. There's just a doily in there with some paper. These here are stunning. I absolutely love these. They're just like, sticky notes is the word I'm after. And I got them in a pack like this, and it was from the Works for £3. And you get all these sticky notes in there. Obviously I've used a lot of them in this traveller's notebook because it's just so handy to have, and then that's a big one. You will see a few of these dotted about in this planner. So yeah, this was also from the same person with the die cut. I just love them. Love it, love it, love it. This is another dashboard that I made with some paper that I've got out of a book from the Works. Just some sparkle washi tape there. And this is ruffle. Don't know what else to call it, and I've literally just stapled it down. It doesn't look all that pretty, but you know, it works for me. This section is whatever goes in my mouth gets written down on these tea dyed papers. I love to tea dye, it's just it's so satisfying. So yeah, whatever goes in my mouth goes on here, and I do that every day. This one I made into a little pocket, and these are some more sticky notes that I just put in there. I know this is the back of the dashboard that was the first one. Again, another die cut from another company that I got some stuff over Christmas, and that's just the back of that one. Now this one, this is some vellum. Is it vellum? Acetate vellum. Yes, it's vellum. This I got from Hobbycraft. So as you can see at the bottom there, they just stuck on with some sellotape. So this one is for my YouTube uploads, and this is just like a, I don't know whether this is called a die cut, but there was two together and I just stuck them on. And this is basically for all my videos that I do for YouTube on both of my channels and what I've got to do, because if I don't write it down I forget. So yeah, that's that section. All these books as well I made myself, except the very last one. My nails in here just because I really like these ones, so I just printed them out and laminated it and put it in. This one in here because, well, I don't know, it's just there. This is some acetate that I got from Hobbycraft as well. And then these are Annie Plans printables. This is the monthly section. So yeah, speaks for itself really. Just all I do is write in there. I don't really do anything else. It's just mainly for birthdays, anniversaries, blah blah blah. The back end of the acetate. This I printed off Pinterest. I absolutely love this image. It is so gorgeous. I mean, I'm having it for personal use, and it was on there and it did say use, you know, for personal use, so that's what I did. These two are some more sticky notes from that same pack. And then again, I downloaded and printed this off from Pinterest because it's just such a beautiful picture. Next we go into my weekly section, and I do decorate this. When I've done this in the week, then I transfer whatever I've got here into my encumbrance. But apart from that, this is basically what I use the weekly part for. If I've got kits that I've got quite a few stickers left, then I just use them for this one instead of buying new stickers just for this one. And this is the week we're on now. Love this kit, it's so pretty. All of these are printables that you can download. This here is just like a little page marker, and you get 6 of these in a pack from the range, and they're £1 for 6. They're so pretty. And they just really work for a page marker, so yeah. Then obviously I use the sticky notes just to put in. This is an Annie Plans printable as well. From what I've seen, this one is not available anymore, but because it's a printable I can just keep printing it out because it's not dated. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. Oh, it was Annie Plans printables, and she did a collaboration with Simply Watercolour Co. This is a quote off Pinterest again. You will be exactly as happy as you decide to be, and I just thought that was really nice to go in there. This again is another dashboard that I made. So they're done out of the sheets that you laminate with. This again is a Pinterest picture. This I made again, just some pockets, and these are some pictures of, I mean, that's Ashley when he was a baby. That's how long I've had this. So this picture is literally 23 years old and it's still in good nick. And that's the back of that. These I just put on with some staples, and it's just for some bits to hang out of the planner really. Again, I got these from the Works. They're on about £1 for 1,000. No, not really. But loads of things are so cheap in the Works. I love it. This is the book that I bought, and literally all that goes in here is if somebody asks me if I want to do a review, then I can go on their site and write things down of things that I would like to review for the company. that's about it in there, and I won't show you this picture because he won't thank me for it, but I've just got a picture of Gaz in there. And this is the back end of the folder that I made, and then at the back of that is just some more nails that I really liked. And in this part here I've just made like a little flip through thing of Harley. That's Ash in all his glory in his posh suit. And yeah, they're just little pictures of Harley. I love that one. That's such a pretty picture that one is. I just put some sellotape on the front and the back, so I can just flip them over like that. And then on the back I've just put this on, so I can just slip it down the back in there, and then flip that over. This pen, I absolutely love it. This was from the Works again, and I think it was $2.99. I'm definitely going to get some more. I've seen these in people's kits that they have each month. Didn't think I'd ever get one, to be honest, but yeah, $2.99 from the Works, and I love this pen. It's such a nice ballpoint pen as well. In the back of here I've just got nothing special inside these pockets, and yeah, that's about it, guys. I use this every single day and I love it. This was about £45 with postage, and it's the best £45 I've ever spent on a planner. I so enjoy using it, it's crazy. Yeah, so links and everything will be in the description box if I can leave any in there. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want me to show you how to do one of them clear dashboards, let me know and I will do one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.